So another one is the win back flow. So the win back flow is specifically targeting customers who have engaged with the brand and then slowly they fell off. So they stopped engaging, they stopped opening emails, they stopped clicking through, they just disappeared, ghosted. So you have two different types of people that could fall into this category: customers who have purchased and customers who have not purchased. So customers who have purchased, there are a number of reasons why they could have disappeared. For example, they could have had a bad experience. So let's say they bought something, they received it, and the thing broke immediately, and they reached out to customer support or something, and nothing happened. Like, let's say the product wasn't replaced or nobody got back to them, or maybe they didn't even bother reaching out to the customer support service because they just assumed you wouldn't help them. So in the win back flow, you could address that. You could say, hey, how was that order? Was everything okay? Is there anything we can do for you? And just reinforce that you want them to be happy.